Oh, isn't that convenient? Hello TL Travelers and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. Today we are doing our annual TL Travel bloopers video. So sit back, relax, and just enjoy it. Hello. If you are just tuning in now, we just got back from a rep. If you're just turning Today we are doing the Alpine road road trip from the city where we're staying. Son of a... Pretty much since Derek started appearing in these videos, people have made comments, people have wrote, what do you want to, oh my gosh, why can't I speak? I can't speak today. Okay.
Are you breaking nature?
And, you know, everything that I might want. I cannot tell you how many times what is happening. Oh, my hair is stuck to my elastic, so every time I push it behind my hair and then put my arm down, I pull my hair back out from behind my ear. But you can unzip the side. So you can just unzip it. And the blanket's inside. Does it? Does it become that? Does it? I keep shaking this and getting little dots of hot tea on my thumb, and I don't like that.